Well, good morning and welcome to lesson 2 of Backyard Bushcraft. Today we're going to be building a wattle fence. So for today's lesson you're going to need lots and lots of twigs. Now the younger the twigs the better, but again don't go picking them off trees, but if you have got to do some hedge pruning or anything like that, this is an ideal use for them. So I cut down a bit of my hedge about 2 days ago, and I've got quite a few. And then you also need 4 twigs, roughly the same size and quite thick, as these are going to hold your fence together. Firstly, you need to lay your 4 twigs of similar size out on the tray just like this. And then we're going to take one of our shoots and you need to go over the first one, under the second one, over the third one and under the fourth one. Now it's a bit easier sometimes to actually put this in the ground, so if you've got some soil or ground already you can actually put these pegs in, it's actually a bit easier, but I'm just showing you how to do it this way, but it's up to you. So next we're going to actually weave from this way, so we're going to go over this one, under this one, be a bit fiddly, you might need a grown-up to help you, over this one, under that one, over this one, see what I mean, it's a little bit fiddly when it's not in the ground, and under this one. So I just want to show you really quickly another technique you can use. So as you can see, I've actually put the sticks in the ground already, and that helps hold it in place, and sometimes it makes it a bit easier, because then all I have to do is go inside, outside, and see how much easier that stick's going. So if you are struggling with using a tray method, this method is a lot easier to do, takes a lot less time, and it still gives you the same result. Doing that a few more times, you can see that we're starting to get a bit of a shape of a fence. Just make sure you use that side for one and that side for the next one. Keep going over, under, or over, under, until your fence starts to take shape. So when you get to this stage, that's pretty much done, I think. So you get grown-up to help you, because these can be quite sharp, and all we're going to do is trim these edges to size. So I'm just going to cut these down so they're nice and even, and so that it fits my fairy garden. So snip, snip. Snip it all down. There we go, and there we have it. One wattle fence. So all we've got to do now is add the fence to the fairy garden. So all we do, see how these ends are here? They're going to go into the dirt. I'm going to push it down. Push it down some more. Now it can be a bit fiddly again this, so you might want to grow it to help you. But the more you push it down, the tighter those sticks go. Can you see now? Nearly there. Push all these sticks in right to the bottom. That's nice and strong. And there we have it. Our wattle fence for our fairy garden. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I've got a few more fences to make on mine, and then we're going to carry on next lesson. We're going to be making a little pond with a yoghurt pot for our garden. Ozzy likes it as well. And I'm going to be showing you a little bit about growing some plants to also put in your garden. Until next week guys, bye!